How to install. Fixing lock body and panel. Put in battery. Verify if it's working after power on. How to unlock by code. Change code. Enter user code 1234 plus C. Set new code plus OK while green light flashing. Now you can unlock it by new code. Add card. Enter management code 4321 plus C. Get card close to lock while green light flashing. Now you can unlock it by new card. Switch to public. Take out battery first. Insert the setting hole with a special pin. Keep pressing the pin and put back battery. Public mode is done after 3 long sound. Green light flashing at every 3 seconds while it's using. Emergency supply. Lock is not working while it's low power. Can charge it with power bank. Replace a new battery after unlock.